Okay, Luca decided that I better do a complete dry fit of the cabinet and everything together on the stove, because once I got it together with the dry fit, I didn't realize this part of the stove on a two-piece tucks in behind. You got to line up the back plate to put that on. I got all these other plates, and then in order to make sure this burner box for the control panel for the gas, you have to line up this hole and this hole in here, so you have to loosen one of these screws to tip the box down a little bit. So that would have been fairly troublesome to do that at a later date once I had all these big heavy other boxes in. But I also need to line up the bottom of the gas line pipe here on the bottom of this box to there in order to get the gas fitting guy to come in and fit that together.